everyone, welcome to Success Stories Talk Show Season 2, presented by Trident Communications in association with World Humanitarian Foundation. I'm Alka, your host for today, and as our guest for today, we have Shikha Kalra. She is the youngest real estate entrepreneur in India. So now that we have Shikha in our show today, let's talk about her journey of success. Hello, Shikha, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great too. Thank you so much for taking out some time for this episode of Success Stories.
Thanks for calling me here.
So, Shikha, tell us something about yourself.
So, I am Shikha Kalra and I am from Panipat. I was born and brought up in Panipat only, and my schooling was from there. And then after my schooling, I came to Delhi and started my career in real estate. I've been studying with my work correspondence. So, that's about me.
So, how did this journey as an entrepreneur begin?
So, when I was 18, I started working for different real estate companies. Till 2016, I worked for companies called Gold Souk, Homestead. I was in Dubai for long. I was in London for long. So when I was doing this work for them, so I thought I should start my own company. Obviously, I was gaining experience to, start my own venture. So in 2017, me and my brother started our venture called Future Return. So since then, we are doing it.
All right. So, what made you choose real estate as a career option?
Real estate is something which is very bold for a woman to do. And when I was kid, I always thought something to do which is different, which people are not doing. I think women in the world still are less in real estate. And it gives you financial stability and flexible schedules. And also, if you heard about it, that real estate consultant are the happiest employees in the world. It is according to Forbes. So yeah,
All right.
real
Yeah, that's
estate. Yeah,
true. That's true that women in this field are comparatively lesser.
yeah. They're very less in India also.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So, Shikha, who was your biggest inspiration and support in this journey of yours?
So my mother, I was raised by a single parent. I was 6, my dad died. So she's been very strong and she raised us very well. We're doing so well in life. I think she's the most important she's an inspiration for me.
All right. So,
Yeah.
so read on your profile that you are engaged with social activities. So, please tell us something about that and the
Yeah,
foundation.
so I'm associated with the organization called Dream Girl Foundation. It is based in Gurgaon. So we work for their health and education for the underprivileged girls around. So yeah, that's about
All right. So, as you
it.
said, and you have talked about your journey, so I see that there might have been a lot of ups and downs throughout this. So, when you have your ups and downs, how do you deal with them?
So I think experiencing and struggling are the most beautiful part of the journey. If you're experiencing, so you learn something which makes you more stronger for the future. So I think I love good with bad is always there. So yeah.
All right. So, talking about future, are there some future plans or projects in the like pipeline that you would
So
like to
yeah, I
share?
am planning to open an office in Bombay and Dubai. I've already started an office. I'm in the process of doing my the uh, with things we're doing for we're starting 2 3 offices also in Bangalore we are planning, but right now in Bombay I'm starting my office. So we will be taking care of the customers who are stuck in the properties, like if you've heard Amarpali in India, JP in India, they have scrapped their project. Their customers are not able to take out the money or not getting the properties. So basically my company does what we does, we retain the client, we give them another property, we ship them to another ready to move in property. So I am basically known as a retention consultant. So this concept was started by me. So I am starting the same in Bombay and Dubai now for the NRIs who are stuck in India. Yeah.
All the very best for all the projects that you have in your
Thank you
mind
so
and
much.
everything
Thank
that you're
Yeah.
thinking of. So,
Thank you so much.
Shikha, in this long journey, has there been any unforgettable moment or event that you would like to share?
So recently, I was awarded as a youngest iconic real estate consultant of the year by Midday. So I think since I was kid, I used to tell my mom that I want to be a real estate. I want to be an entrepreneur. Obviously, real estate was not in my mind at that time, but this was I was just awarded. So this was the unforgettable event for my life. It was
Definitely.
a proud moment for me.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So, Shikha, what's your personal life mantra? Like, how do you encourage and motivate yourself every day? Like, when you wake up, what's that keeps you going?
So life mantra is, you have to be strong. Whatever comes into your life, you have to face it. And I've been struggling since my dad died. So I think positivity is the key.
All right. So,
Yeah.
if not a business entrepreneur or a social activist, what else do you think you would be if not these?
I always wanted to be an entrepreneur since
Okay.
I was kid. Yeah. So social activities, just when I uh, got into real estate and I saw that obviously I don't come from a good family. My When my dad died, we had financial problems, so I never wanted to, girls around in the world should have those problems. I want to solve those problems enough, however I can. So that makes me um, do social activities for them, whatever I can do for them.
That's a really noble thing to do. And
Yeah.
talking about social activities, actually, World Humanitarian Foundation, which is also our associated partner, they work towards women empowerment. So
Yeah.
what are your views about women around the world?
So I think there are very less women on the table right now. We should treat it equally. Like in real estate, as I told you, there are very less women. And if you heard about Nika, also Nika Falguni Ji has been the right now the first billionaire woman in the world now. So I think women should understand their worth, and they should influence social changes among themselves and
So,
others.
Shikha, as we are heading towards the end of today's episode, and the name of our show is Success Stories. So, if you were to define true success, what would it be?
It is you should be happy and content in every phase of your life. Yeah.
So, Shikha, that was a really lovely interview with you, and that was a really lovely chat with you there.
Same
And
here.
we
Likewise.
wish you all the very best for all your upcoming projects. And we'd
Thank
also
you
like
so much.
to, uh, congratulate you for everything that you are already doing. And we hope
Thank
the
you
best
so
for you.
much. Thank you so much. Thanks for having me.
Thank you so much, Shikha. And thank you so much, everyone, for joining with us today on this episode of Success Stories. And for more such stories, just stay tuned and subscribe to our channel so you do not miss out on any notifications. We air a new episode every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So until the next show appears, just stay tuned, take care, stay safe, and bye.
Thanks.
Yeah.